This is your 1-minute coder news from the Voice of Custom Coding. The U.S. House of Representatives has passed SEMA-supported legislation to create a commission that would recommend ways to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Route 66. The historic 2,448-mile stretch of road was commissioned in 1926 as the first all-paved U.S. highway. The Route 66 Centennial Commission Act S. 1014 creates a commission with representatives appointed by the President of the United States. It has 2 years to make recommendations to Congress about how to celebrate the iconic highway known as the Mother Road. SEMA says it may recommend the production of various written materials, films and documentaries, education programs, artistic works, memorabilia, and celebrations for the route's storied history. The legislation, which unanimously passed the U.S. Senate in August, now heads to the White House for President's signature. And that's been your 1-minute coder news. See you next time.